What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today this video will be about the most popular subject in February. No, I'm not talking about Valentine's Day. As y'all seen the title, we are talking about taxes. All right, I'm gonna give y'all my opinion on some things you should do with your tax return. Okay. So first, I think what you should do with your tax return is something that will help you or benefit you and your family. Okay. So I would say the first thing that you should do with your tax return is, if you have like credit card debt or student loans, I would say pay that off as soon as possible. All right. The second thing I think you should do, in my opinion, is invest that money into something that will make you more money in the future, as in stocks if you like stocks, cryptocurrency, real estate, something like that. Or if you're passionate about anything, start a business in something that you're passionate in that can bring you money every month or monthly. All right. Also, another thing what you should use your tax return for is let's see, what's another thing? I would say buy a house. You know, if your family needs a house, you and your husband, or you and somebody that you live with, y'all put your tax return together. If your credit is up to par, I would say buy a house. That'll be a smart investment, and don't buy a house at the market value. Try to get it a little cheaper than the appraised value. Okay? Now, what most people do with their tax return is buy a car, which you cannot afford most of the time, because if you really could afford the car, why would you wait till tax season to buy the car, right? Let's just be honest with each other. You wouldn't wait till tax season if you could truly afford the car, correct? Or if you're gonna buy your car, buy you a cheap car, $2,000-$3,000 car that could bring you from your house to work, or work to pick up your kids or something like that. Buy you a cheap car. You don't have to. It don't have to be all lavish with rims and fresh paint. Just get you a car that's run good and bring you from point A to point B. That's all you need. Yeah, so I would definitely invest that lump sum of money that you get into something that can pay you monthly, or something that pays you quarterly, something that makes you money and not something that costs you money. That's the difference between liabilities and assets. I would say buy yourself some assets so you can benefit from it and get paid every month. Also, another thing, use that tax return money to invest in yourself. That's the number one thing you should do, is invest in yourself. Invest in yourself, I mean, as if your credit is challenged, if your credit is horrible, go fix your credit. All right? If you want to do something in the future, as invest in real estate, invest in stocks, or you like building cars or something, invest money into buying books or educate yourself on cars, stocks, real estate, whatever you like. Invest in yourself. That's the number one thing I think you should do. So scratch the other thing, whatever I said. The number one is to invest in yourself. Find me a credible mentor. Credible, I mean, you know, not gonna take your money, not a scam. You've been following them a while on YouTube or reading their books or something like that. So find yourself a credible mentor. So that's my opinion on what you should do with your tax return. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And leave some comments down below what y'all plan to do with y'all tax return this year. And stay tuned for more content. Thank you for watching my video.